Hello and welcome, educators. What we're going to look at is just organizing your Google Drive and how to access it for the first time. So if you go to google.com and you're not logged in on your account, you'll see a blue sign-in button on the right. So if you click on the sign-in button, all you need is a Gmail account, and that's the same thing as having a Google account. And you see I have a lot of them. And the one I'm using today is this one with my first and last name. And from here, this is where you'll insert your password. Then you'll instantly be logged in on Google, but this time you'll see that if you roll over on your icon, you'll have your Google account with your associated Gmail account as it pops up. Okay. So the next thing we're doing is everything I share with you today, if you're in any of my sessions, it's automatically going to be sent to you to your Google Drive account, and you can access it from there as well. So if I click on the Google Apps and I go to Drive, which is the first option, then you will see that you have a cloud-based storage area that allows you to make folders and also put files in there. Now this is a workhorse area for me because you'll see that I got folders, and then I've got other folders that are numbered. And I found out that if you click on name, right, it automatically will alphabetize all of your content. Now the first three I put symbols in front of. I found out if you put symbols in front of it, they'll automatically put it ahead of your numbers. So the most important thing for me is I like to keep up with all my data for my day job. So I'm allowed to go in there and find it quickly. Now the content for any of the content that I'm working on, I can put in these separate folders. And across the top, these are kind of like what we call breadcrumb paths, where if you go backwards, it'll take you back to the original spot. See? So that is how you will organize your content. And how you make your folders is you just go to New and you go to Folder, and that's where you would name your folder, and it would populate over here in this list. Let's say, for instance, I want to make a 2A folder. That would put it between the 2 and the 3. Okay, so if I made a 2A folder, made an example folder, if I hit create, it automatically would put that gray folder right here. See? Now, some people ask me, hey, how do you make it colored, right? When in doubt, you just right click. That will let you do many things, including share the folder, rename the folder if you named it wrong, or move your folder to another area, because you can put folders within a folder. So we're going to just change the color for right now. And there, that is your example folder. It turns orange. How do you get rid of a folder? You right click on it. One more time, right click. And this is where you would remove it. So that's just an easy access on how to log into your Google account and how to set up your initial folders for school.